Guided bend test is used to determine option is ductility, impact value, tensile strength, percentage of elongation. Answer is ductility. Impact value means the ability of material absorb sudden load. It measure the toughness. Tensile strength is the material under the load of tensile. Percentage of elongation means it is the one of the way of measure the quantity of ductility. Next question is, what is the effect of tungsten electrode tip melt and deposit in weld metal? Answer option is poor penetration, crack, contamination, weld metal, lack of fusion. Answer is contamination of weld metal. Question number 3. Spot welding process. The size of nugget is controlled by options: time, current, pressure, electrode contact area. Answer is option B, electrode contact area. Fourth question. Probable defect in if cast iron is welded without preheating is porosity. Options are porosity, undercut, blowhole, crack. Answer is option D, crack. Fifth question. The purpose of setting root gap in butt weld joint is, options are to control distortion, option B to obtain required depth of fusion, option C to maintain alignment, option D to deposit more metal. Answer is option B to obtain required depth of fusion. The picture represents the root gap configuration of welded joint. Sixth question. Which of the following non-destructive test method cannot be employed to detect defect inside the weldment? Options are option A, ultrasonic test, option B, X-ray test, option C, dye penetrant test, option D, gamma ray test. Answer is option B, dye penetrant test. Other options are used to internal defect of weldment joint. This picture represents the procedure of dye penetrant test. Apply the cleaner, apply penetrant and apply the developer. Seventh question. Low hydrogen electrodes are superior to use in order that option A, poor strength is obtained, option B, welding is free from arc block, option C, welding is free from moisture pickup, option D, current required is minimum. Answer is weld is free from moisture pickup. It is also the low hydrogen electrode used to reduce the crack propagation of welding joint. Eighth question. Which of the following factors is taken in account while selecting nozzle for gas welding? Option A, flux melting point, option B, base metal melting point, option C, pillar metal melting point, option D, temperature of flame to be used. Answer is base metal melting point. Ninth question. Acetylene is chemical compound of A, carbon and oxygen, option B, carbon and nitrogen, option C, carbon and hydrogen, option D, carbon and calcium. Answer is carbon and hydrogen. 10th question. Which of the following electrode can be used both AC and DC machines? Option A, carbon electrode, option B, aluminum electrode, option C, metal electrode, option D, mild steel coated electrode. Answer is mild steel coated electrode. 11th question. Preheating of copper is done before welding because option A, prevent oxidation, option B, of its high thermal conductivity, option C, it make welding easier, option D, it helps control shrinkage. Answer is option B, its high thermal conductivity. 12th question. Welding process widely employed to weld railway rails is option A, thermit welding, option B, ultrasonic welding, option C, percussion welding, option D, explosive welding. Answer is option A, thermit welding. In the option, ultrasonic welding is used for welding thermosetting plastic. Percussion welding is used for welding to joining dissimilar metal have a thin cross section. Explosive welding is the cold welding process. It can be used the flat coating in heat exchanger and setting cooling fan. It not in explosive welding, it not affect the heat distortion area is very minimum. The picture represents the procedure of thermit welding of rail joint. 13th question. In a gas tungsten arc welding, the shape of tip of tungsten electrode used for welding of aluminum is option A, point ended, option B, angular ended, option C, flat ended, option D, spherical ended. Answer is spherical ended. Spherical end and ball end make more perfect welding. 14th question. In a SMAW, bead width and height will be more if answer option A, welding current is decreased, option B, welding angle is decreased, option C, welding speed is decreased, option D, arc length is decreased. Answer is option C, welding speed is decreased. Picture represents the SMAW setup. SMAW means shield metal arc welding. 15th question. Which of the following carbon steel is most weldable? Option A, 0.15 carbon steel, option B, 0.30 carbon steel, options C, 0.50 carbon steel, option D, 0.75 carbon steel. Answer is 0.15 carbon steel. Most of the weldable material is low carbon steel is most suitable. Next question is, what is the effect of tungsten electrode tip melt and deposit in weld metal? Answer option is poor penetration, crack, contamination, weld metal, lack of fusion. Answer is contamination of weld metal. Steve. 17th questions. Brass is gas welded using option A, oxidizing flame, option B, carburizing flame, option C, natural flame, option D, cannot be welded by gas welding process. Answer is oxidizing flame. Carburizing flame is it contains flame in more acetylene. It can be used for welding hard and brittle metal. Neutral flame is used for equal contain oxygen and acetylene, used for welding steels, cast iron and copper. Picture represents the three types of flames used in gas welding. This picture represents the procedure of dipenetrant test. Apply the cleaner, apply penetrant, and apply the developer. Which of the following operation is known as sweating? Option A, heating of two surfaces to be joined to high temperature in presence of flux. Option B, heating of two surfaces at low temperature. Option C, joining surface without use of flux. Option D, tinning of two surfaces to be joined applying flux and heating. Answer is tinning of two surfaces to be joined applying flux and heating. 20th question. In arc welding, penetration is minimum for DC electrode positive, option B DC electrode negative, option C AC, option D none of the above. Answer is option B DC electrode is negative.